Hi, I'm Al. I've been with WeTrade for 4 months and I'm really happy and excited to share my experiences with WeTrade with you. I've started with WeTrade nung nagkausap kami ni RD nitong May. And back then, I was really a struggling digital marketer. I had an info product business. I've been running it for 4 years. But I always felt like merong kulang. Yung growth ko limited and yung hindi ako nakakalabas sa comfort zone ko.
I'm Jap, and matagal na rin ako nag-i-e-com 2 years ago, and luckily nahanap ko yung WeTrade and I'm now one of their partners. Siguro yung biggest impact na nabigay sa akin ng WeTrade is something about personal growth. Hindi ko talaga nakikita yung sarili ko dati mag-handle ng maraming tao. WeTrade helped me to become the person kung sino ako ngayon, and I'm really happy sa natulong sa akin ng WeTrade. Dahil kahit ano pang problems na bumangga, I think kaya ko, knowing na meron akong mga tao na masasandalan.
I feel like I could grow so much more with the help of this community. Tapos, everyday isi-celebrate nila yung wins mo. Everyday, tutulungan ka nila mag-grow, i-hold ka nila accountable. And also, ipupush ka nila sa limits na tingin mo, dati di mo kaya.
Para tayong springboard, kapag pumalun ka, pag pumunta ka dyan, lilipat ka talaga into infinite breakthroughs. And that's what we are experiencing right now.
Every day, spend minimum 1 to 2 to 3 hours on for you. It's the most beautiful part. Kasi, and even me, coming in here, no expectation, 3 hours, I'm still willing to give all of who I am from an outflow. Ask me why. Self-love.
The heart of e-commerce company is actually marketers. That is the heart of an e-commerce. But si WeTrade mismo ngayon, wala siyang employee na marketer. No? Because everyone, right now, what we build is a community of partners.
Which means live your life every day. Clearing it every day, mindful, every day, learning, growing, expanding, every day, contribution. That's who you have become. Then, you become limitless. And the most beautiful part here is we have a community here in WeTrade wherein what we give you is not only the business side, but we also want to give you the spiritual side.
If you think you're committed, if you think you want to grow, together with the community that helps you and supports you, I invite you to join us. I invite you to join WeTrade.
What we are doing right now in WeTrade is like we are an exponential organization who is now breaking through barriers. Here in our community, we value personal mastery. More than just business, we see to it that people are continuously growing and developing themselves. And we make sure that all of relationships here in this community are win-win. That's why the culture is so clean. People are just helping each other and has this insatiable drive for learning. And now we are taking our business to the next level wherein we aim to become the benchmark of operational excellence. And sobrang excited ako to share with you the next level of WeTrade.